Guess who's back? Back again. Over the past time, AI has only grown up. It practically begins to replace us. Or we are just becoming more lazy. Because why to write posts in the big 2025? In any case, as everyone uses AI for everything, we can't stay behind, and that's why we'll create a news generator. Breaking news. So the idea is like that. Our news need to be trendy, right? In that case, something comes in handy. Google Trends. We have everything we need here. Some phrases, popularity, date, and several news. Most importantly, let's not go into it for now. Let's click export as an Excel file and get to work. We will start by analyzing the CSV file in the program. We will separate what we need and present in some nice way. Amazing. I think I just created next layout for TikTok. Okay, we have already collected trends. Now all the hope in this button, namely if we want. Actually, we do not want to write our own articles. We only want to use some wise AI for this. We must give it some inspiration. We will use the newspaper library for this and simply search for a few news for a given topic. So we write functions for loading articles. Now we load articles. And everything works. Well done. And here AI comes in. Since we already have trending topics and examples of articles, now we let AI do its job. We will use Gemini for this because it's free, I guess? Okay. Now based on the selected article, AI will write something similar for us. Oh damn, that's fire. Now we have the most important thing, which means transforming this text into an article on the website. Well, if we want to earn great money for these 3 site impressions on our blog's website, then we must try and do something nice. Actually, we don't even have to. AI writes an article, let AI stylize it too. Okay, indeed modern design. In this way we have everything. Now it's enough for us to use some CMS, maybe some WordPress, add something from ourselves on the main page, and the business is going strong. That's what digital hustling means. But this was just the beginning. As always, the code thrown on GitHub. Look forward to the next films and stay tuned.